Hey everybody on the art club, Michelle here. I am going to attempt today to draw a Pudgie version of TinkerBell. So if you get your pencil, try to start with pencil if you can. It's going to make things a lot easier. Start by drawing a circle that's a little bit of an oval shape, like an oval on its side. The same way we did the Mickey Mouse, the Pudgie Mickey Mouse. So it's like a circle that's been squashed down a little bit like a potato. So pretty easy. After that, you're going to do another circular shape right in the middle at the top. That's going to be her hair bun. So just kind of draw that the same as I did there. And then in the bottom, under her chin, you're going to do a small circle like this. And under that, you're going to do another circular kind of shape that ends up being like an upside down teardrop, okay? So if you don't know what I mean, just watch and pay attention and then try to do it on your own. Okay, so like that. And then what I want you to do is draw a really faint line through the middle of this oval, just like that. It's just a guide of where we're going to put the eyes under. See, I'm going to draw her eyes right under that line. Circles just about the size of that circle under her chin, but maybe a bit smaller, maybe a bit more round too. Okay, and then right between them, we're going to do a little smile here, like that, like all the other Pudgies, and a tiny circle up in the right corner on both eyes. That's the part of the shine. And then in the bottom left corner, do a smaller circle for extra bit of shine in these cute little eyes. I find the more shine bubbles you leave open in a character's eyes, the cuter they look, because that makes their eyes look glassier. See? So there's TinkerBell's eyes. After that, we're gonna work on her hairline. So right above that left eye, you're gonna start and you're gonna end up right over here. Sorry, I'm moving the camera a little bit. So we're gonna do a curved hairline all the way over there. And it's okay if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. I mean, it's just hair. And then do another curved line on the left side to finish. And now we're gonna do a little V, just like the letter V for her little neckline there. And then right in the middle of this teardrop shape, we're going to do a zigzag. So up, down, all the way across, and that's her dress. So try to find the middle and then do a straight down line, and there's her legs. Okay, so now I'm going to make this face line a little bit more distinct. And right in that corner, I'm going to come right down and out for her little arms on both sides. And then do a little bump for the hand. And then go all the way up, getting a little bit wider as I go up. See? Do the same on the other arm. Good. Okay, so right about here, we're going to come straight out and then bring this line. Oh, we'll do the same on the other side first. These are going to be the wings. So we want them to end right under the hand, right there. So that's where the bottom part of the wing is going to start. So we do two little curvy shapes beside her hips there. And then see where we're going to bring this line down? All the way down, and that's her wing. Do the same over here. Good. Now I like to put a few little details for the hair bun. Maybe some little eyelashes. Just two little lines. And that is our TinkerBell. So now let's trace her over. And there she is. See, some of the lines that I drew with pencil, I changed a bit when I was doing it with pen, and that's normal. So you can change it as you want. If you start with pencil, you can make it more perfect the second time you trace it over. So now I'm just going to erase all those leftover pencil lines. And that's it. Pudgy little TinkerBell. Have fun, guys.